don't like this house in the dark.
What? You afraid there's gonna be a monster under you a bit?
No, it's not that. It just feels like someone's always watching you. I mean, you never know what could be at the end of a dark hallway.
Yeah, sure. Alright. Well, good night, Professor. Oh, and don't let the bedbugs bite.
I love it!
That was a really creepy laugh.
Yeah.
And don't let the bedbugs bite. This is where they send us when we're not wanted.
Alright,
Down the stairway.
People.
move over, okay? No. You give me the ladder.
You want to?
Please. I'm down. Hey! I'm pretending to. I'm just reading them. Let me down.
Rachel, are you filming this?
Absolutely.
Lock her up.
You know it.
Bye, Laura. Oh, we can't do the movie. We don't have a camera.
Oh, we got a camera. But it records the super gaming.
I want to make a run. No, I was kidding. Oh, I'm gonna try that. Well, we said we can't make the movie without the camera, so I was gonna say, give me the camera and let you out, and take the camera and just...
Oh. Okay. She's like, oh. There's like good air coming from the roof. I would probably hang out in the attic a lot. You're still would too. I'd just like climb up there.
Okay.
You could probably pull it back up too.
What is this? Mr. Green climbs ladder, take 1?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. If we need to take 2, we'll take 2. If you say bug beds, we need to take 2. Don't let the bug bed bite.
Are there any bug beds up there?
Yes, there are lots of bug beds. And they're like, Laura, get out, we don't like you.
As Laura falls down. Yeah.
Laura falls down, take 1.
You're not filming my legs, are you?
I am. Well, I'm filming you coming down. Your legs just happen to be part of the process.
Oh, I forgot to turn the light out.
Thank you.
Just don't zoom in on the way like Dan did.
I can't with my camera. You have to choose and then you can't zoom in or out.
Oh, well, he made
Ta-da!
my butt the whole
Success.
picture.